Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Millionaire House. Today I am sharing a total room makeover for my toughest client yet, my son. We are kicking things up a notch in this little guy's space, and today I've teamed up with WallPops to give you some creative ideas on how to create the perfect accent wall. So join me as we say goodbye to Spider-Man and hello to a very tranquil and serene setting for a boy's bedroom. Hey you guys, and welcome back to the Millionaire House. I'm super excited to be sharing this series with you today on decorating a boy's room. If you've been following me on Instagram for a while, then you know we have 7-year-old twins, boy-girl twins, and our boy is, he's got a special place in my heart, like all our children do, but he's got it's a boy-mom thing, I think. Anyway, he was very specific in his request and having a room that looks like a beach. And when I asked him, how do you want your room to look? He said, Mommy, I want to feel like I'm at the beach. So I'm very excited to do this for him. And so I'm going to try to create a space that's not only very peaceful and relaxing, because he's a little guy that doesn't really like a lot of overstimulation. So I want this to feel kind of like a sanctuary for him. But I also want it to be something that he can grow into as he gets older. But with kids, it's tricky. So with the accent wall, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you today, I've teamed up with WallPops to create this beach theme that he's looking for. What I love about WallPops is that, it's not a lot of commitment. It's very easy to pull this paper down in the event that someone changes their mind. So I really hope you enjoy this video. WallPops Peel and Stick Wallpaper makes it really easy for you to jazz up a space and be creative without all the commitment. I chose the Beachwood pattern because it gave a weathered wood look, and I paired it with the Sherwin-Williams Passive Gray. I'll be sure to put the link in the description box below for you. We love to make styling a room a family affair, and so the boy twin and Benjamin Buttons got started with painting. Once we finished painting, I got to work on the new wallpaper. So the first step is making sure that your first panel is level, both vertically and horizontally, because you're going to build off of that, and if it isn't straight, you're in big trouble. Once you have your paper level, you just peel and stick. It's really that simple. And just like with stenciling, when you're doing an accent wall, it's advised that you start in the center of the wall to give the entire space a more cohesive look. And as you work, you'll want to make sure to use a smoothing tool to make sure the wallpaper is adhered very smoothly to your walls. And what a huge difference it made, right? For a product that goes up in minutes and comes down in seconds, I absolutely love the look. And let's move on to the room tour, starting with the swing-a-thon chair. As I mentioned earlier, my little guy really does not appreciate too much overstimulation, and the swing-a-thon chair is a great tool to help out with that. The rocking and swaying presents a very calming effect that's perfect for after school and before bedtime. He has a neat little pocket area to store his books and a cup holder for bottled water. I found the seat cushion and pillow in the clearance section at Target. These gorgeous glass bowls were in clearance at Pottery Barn, and we filled them with sand that we got from the beach on spring break. And he finally outgrew his little train table, so we replaced that with this really cute activity table that I found on clearance at Pier 1. The sea green color tied in perfectly with our new color palette, and what's really cool about this table is that the drawers pull out on both sides, so no matter which side of the table that he's playing on, he can access his toys very easily. Moving on to the bedding, I opted for grays and navy blues, and I mixed several different textures and fabrics to just create a very warm and inviting space for him to sleep in. There's beautiful stitching all over this duvet, which is from Pottery Barn Teen, and I mixed pillows from Home Goods and Pottery Barn, and he absolutely loves this really cute shark pillow that I found in the children's section at Home Goods. On the top bunk, we have a really cool navy blue shag pillow and some gray bedding that I found at Home Goods as well. And how about those super cool paper mache shark teeth from Pottery Barn Teen? And the bunk bed offers ample drawer space on the side and bottom of the bunk for all of his clothes and underwear. And you guys, sometimes the littlest details make such a huge impact. I found this adorable set of Twinkle Lights at Pier 1, and they're sand bottles, and he loves them. It gives his room such a beautiful glow at night. I found this cute blue whale art and netting and added it to the head of the bed, and I found them both at Home Goods. The kids have a separate play area, but I thought it would be nice to add a basket to his room for his favorite toys so he can keep them in there. And then these poof ottomans were such a cool little find that I got at Target. And let me tell you, my toughest client wasted no time to start enjoying his space. And a quick note, I ordered wall pads from the Home Depot, but they hadn't arrived yet by the time I made this video. It'll give the wall a little extra protection. Although this chair is not for swinging, it's for swaying. Boys will be boys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour and we got your creative juices flowing. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature was in the room. And as always, until next time, love and peace.